everyone, it's me, Cody the Coding Dog, and I'm here at my house chilling like a villain. Are you super bored? Are you super excited to do school at home? Well, get ready, because I'm gonna show you all the new features of PS305.com. First, let's go to our school website, PS305.com. Let's see what's on here. Well, you know that if you need it in Spanish, Cool's it. Or if you need it in Arabic, right here, beautiful's it. But let's look at it in English. So, we have how to get free Wi-Fi or laptop tablets. Here's how to get free Wi-Fi from Spectrum. Click here, and you can ask the DOE schools to send you some device for free. Here is another way to do it. Here's how to ask non-technology questions to school administrators. So parents, if you don't know what to do, click here and fill out this form, and a school administrator will get back to you. But it's not for technology questions, just for other stuff that you want to ask the principal or the parent coordinator or whoever. Here is the technology help desk. You click here and fill this out, and the technology people will help you figure out your problems. Here is home instruction. If you click the houses or up here home instruction, it takes you to all your class stuff. There goes a motorcycle. That wasn't me. So we have, here's how to log into Google Classroom with our school way. This way. And then you can pick your grade. Here's Google Classroom if you need it. This is this NYC Schools account thing if you wanna, let's see what it even is. Link your student, monitor their grades and test scores and attendance and all that. That's right there. And then at the bottom, extra programs that are free right now. There's one thing here, but pretty soon there's gonna be a lot for every grade. And they'll teach you how to sign up for free, and you can use all these fun, cool things to do. Let's go back and see what else is on the main page. Oh yeah, did you get a laptop from us? Well, here is the secret admin password. Use this one, the Statue of Liberty, NYC DOE, to log in. The student one is probably broken. It's broken all across the city, so that's great. And this is the admin and password that works for NYC DOE, and even works when you get this annoying screen. Here's again how to sign into Google Classroom. Here's videos on how to use Google Classroom if you're a student. And here's even a video if you have Xbox One, how to do Google Classroom on that. Here's coronavirus information. And don't forget to join us on all our social media channels, including new Twitter. We may be in our houses, but that's okay. One person accidentally got locked in the school until this is over.
No! No!
Oh well, this is definitely better than that. Well, this is Cody the Coding Dog saying, see you next time, kids. Yep.